Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how you can turn off read repetition on WhatsApp. So first of all you have to know what is read repetition. Read repetition means if you want to know the other person on WhatsApp that you have seen his message but he would not let know like you seen his message. So hope so you understand. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel and like the video. So first of all go to your account on WhatsApp. After going here you can search on the top bar privacy. Here after selecting on privacy, all the setting of privacy would appear on this page. Now you can see all the setting: last seen, profile photo, about, link, Google share, cause, blog, default message timer and read repetition. On the last row here you can see there is an option of read repetition. You can see in the read under the read repetition there is a description written as if you turn on you would not be able to read repetition from other people. Like if other people also seen your message it will not show to you, and if you seen other message it will not show to the other person. So this is what read repetition means. So all the people have mostly on their read repetition, but if you want more privacy so you can easily turn off the read repetition from here. So hope so this is why entertaining and informative video for you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the next video. So this is a very easy method by which you can secure your account more if you want to more privacy. So you can apply more privacy to your channel. If you have any other option or if you have any other question related to this, like related to privacy or WhatsApp, you can also ask to the comments box. So I will response to that comment and will upload a video related to that content. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video.